What's up, guys? I'm doing an unboxing on my Predator Minimates 2-pack City Hunter Predator from the second Predator movie, and Masked Predator. I'm pretty sure this is from the first, because it should be Jungle Hunter, because this one, this one is like the same as that one, so I'm kind of guessing that this one is from the first one, that's from the second one. But if it's not, it's alright, because this one comes with the laser thing and the white mask just like in the first. But here's a recap of the movies, I guess. And from the first one. And there's some poses that you can make with the figures and stuff. And that's the back. And there's my little brother's Dutch, which is right there. So, I'm gonna unbox it now. Okay. Man, I just don't want to mess it up. This package, because I like this package, but... Darn it, I just remembered I could have opened it from the bottom. And a nice jungle in the background, which is always good to have. There they are. I'm just gonna... Okay, so here is the City Hunter Predator. And here is his stand. I like that they come with stands. Oh, and here is his mask. I'm not sure if you can actually put it on. If you can, that's pretty cool. If you can't, oh, you can actually switch the heads. Oh well, I'll have to try that later. Oh, okay. Now, for the Jungle Hunter Predator. Oh. This one looks awesome. But I think this one is my favorite. But I might change my mind on make it this one. Oh well. Here's a stand, so you can stand. You guys have already seen that. And then here is his stick thing for the City Hunter Predator. Oh, that is the unboxing. That is all the accessories, so this is the unboxing. Thank you guys for watching this unboxing. Said that many times. And make sure to check out my little brother's video on his Predators and stuff. So later.